Okay, we got the eyes where we want them. Taking it out back in here. So now when I paint and put my eyes in, the eyes will go right in there where they belong. Okay, the next part is for our neck. And I've cut out 3 blocks. I'm going to glue these together, and then those are going to go in here for our neck piece. So we'll glue these together and let them set, and then we'll be ready to insert our piece. The mouth is looking good. We cut part of this off. I got to sand this part down so our mouth will fit up here properly. And then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.